outside to get out of bounds and stop the clock. Excellent job.
Yeah, and somebody's going to get that gobbler at the end of this game, too.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I was 5. It looks like I ate a 5-year-old.
Josh Bynes has been coming all night long, but then he pulls out, and it's just hard. It's been a while since he's seen a hole that big. He almost didn't know what to do. Got 5 inches on him, but just too much.
Oh, Barkley got hammered on that penetration by Fletcher Cox.
Football and crab cakes, that's what Maryland does.
Finishes with the tip.
Jordan Poyer was coming aggressively.
It's the weekend and I can't feel my face.
These guys are freaky.
Roethlisberger.
Didn't know whether I should circle that or not.
Come on, Daddy.
Diggs gets a much-needed blow.
No, I was too fat to get rib injuries. I had too much cushion there, Shannon, but thanks for asking.
More cushion for the pushing, they say. They always say that about you, Mark.
And it is good.
Is a thick wide receiver who is powerful from the waist down.
Holy Toledo!
Jeff Saturday loved the double tap. He loved me constantly spanking him, right?
Going to be a wet and likely wild night in the Bay Area.